If your Discord server is suddenly being flooded with spam, hostile messages, or a coordinated wave of disruptive users, you may be dealing with a raid. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to report a raid in a Discord server, step by step, so you can get help fast and keep your community safer. If you find this tutorial useful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Discord guides just like this. Now let's jump right in. First, open Discord and go to the server that's currently facing the problem. Make sure you're in the correct server before you do anything else, because the report needs to be submitted from the affected community. Once you're inside the server, look at the top left corner where the server name is displayed. Click on the server name to open the drop-down menu. This menu usually contains several server-related options, and one of them will be the Report Raid option. Click on Report Raid to start the reporting process. After that, Discord will show you a form or a set of options related to the raid report. Carefully select all the details that apply to your situation. This could include the type of behavior you're seeing, the severity of the problem, or any other relevant indicators that help explain what happened. Take a moment to review everything before submitting, because the more accurate your report is, the better Discord can understand the issue. When you've selected all the applicable options, click Submit to send the report. At that point, your raid report has been filed, and Discord can review the activity and take appropriate action if needed. While you wait, it's also a good idea to protect your server by slowing down message permissions, checking moderation settings, and removing any obvious bad actors if you have the tools to do so. That can help reduce further damage while the report is being reviewed. And that's how to report a raid in a Discord server quickly and correctly. If this video helped you out, please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more useful Discord tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.